That's why practice makes perfect. Doing a visual of how easy it is for me to do these locks. And I know people gonna ask me like, tutorial this, tutorial that. And I'm gonna show y'all, and it's gonna show you guys why I don't do tutorials. Because everything I do is just like, I don't know. I just be doing it.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the brunch of the whole world.
We're back. So I'll be honest, it just takes me a long time to do my hair. A lot of the times people ask me, oh, how long did it take you? I be thinking like, girl, it took me a long time. It took me days because I don't just sit and do my hair probably like I should do. I go about my business. Like, I take my time. Like, I act like I'm gonna get up early, but I don't get up early. Like, especially if I went to bed late. Like, last night I went to bed around 2. So, why did I think I was gonna wake up at 5? Like, I used to do that. I used to get up. I used to actually get up. Like, I used to set my alarm at 3 and get up at 3. Only take like an hour nap, especially when I did wigs. And they were due, I would stay up all night. What else? When I had appointments and I had to make the locks, kind of like what I'm doing now, but just like more formed. Like, these are kind of free formed, so it's like, as long as they sturdy, you know, like the hair ain't coming out, I don't really care how they look. But yeah, lock styles that I pre-make, I would stay up all night, but I stopped doing that, you know. I just started having longer appointments again and just embracing it, like not rushing. Teaching my client how to treat me. So I'm not gonna come early and set up, or stay later and set up when I have 10-hour appointments. Like, when it just takes me from AM to PM to finish your hair. I'm not doing that. I have a daughter now. Like, when I didn't have a daughter, I would do those type of things. I would go above and beyond. But this is a business, and I just feel like I already try my best to make it an enjoyable experience for everybody. Like, I try to make sure that everybody is comfortable. Like, I try to find something good to watch. I try to get 2 braiders. Like, I try to get 3 braiders. But I think at the end of the day, like, people just really want their hair done like how my hair is done. And so they don't mind what I bring, because I'm communicative. Like, I make them feel comfortable. Most people really trust me. They get the same style over and over and over again. It feels like I see them so much in a year. So, and that's when I was in Atlanta. Like, I feel like my clients are like my friends. Like, every time I see them, it's just good times. It's like going out to eat with a friend that you ain't seen in a minute. So, I don't know, like, let's talk about taking my time. So yeah, over the years, yeah, I be taking my time, bro. And when I was young, I used to have stuff to do. Like, I used to be going out of town. I used to be going out that night or the next day or whatever. I used to have plans of being outside. So I just was more inclined to finish my hair faster, get it done, get it out the way. Like, I had appointments back to back to back to back to back. So my free time was my free time, you know? Like, these days, I have a kid, so my free time really be dedicated to her and getting the things I gotta get done. Like, I be cooking, it take a long time to cook. Like, when I didn't have her, sometimes I wouldn't eat, you know? Like, sometimes when she's not here, I won't eat because I'm not hungry like that. Like, for her, you know, she be hungry. She be like, she'll eat at like 4 and still be like, what's for dinner? I be like, girl, you're not full. So it's, you know, it's mom life. And, well, you may not know if you don't have a kid, but it's mom life. If you ever think about your mom, and just how she just got so much stuff done at such a young age, or whatever age she was where she was your mom. Yeah. And you're at wherever you're at. Like, I know that we don't give ourselves enough credit, and I don't see all the things that I do on the outside looking in. But I watch my mom to this day, and my mom just be on the move, and I'm not like that. So I do, and she had 3 kids. So respect to all the mamas out there, especially mine, because I don't have. Hopefully, I do get in a position to have more of a sense of urgency, like when it comes to doing my hair, like some money on to do my hair. I got paid to make. But yeah, if I got some money on for doing my hair, then the sense of urgency would be there. But that's neither here nor there. That's in the future. But yeah, so I take my time, bro. Like, I don't rush it, and I take my time with clients. I don't rush it. Unless I'm paying somebody to help me rush it, then I want to be as fast as possible. But other than that, like, this is my life. So I'm glad that I canceled on my cleaner. I'm not, because my house is a mess, especially because I've been working from home since the last time she was here. Dang. Hasta mañana, hasta mañana. For favor. Tomorrow, please. Period. Tomorrow, please. Your sister is bilingual. Me and my baby, we bilingual. But yeah, we bilingual over here, and if we not, it's in the future. All right. Me finishing my hair is in the future, so let me get to it. All that yap. Look where we are now. I'm getting further. I thought it would be faster than this. I had to go to the beauty supply, and then it's raining, so I was stuck in traffic. The beauty supply is about 45 minutes away with standstill traffic. And then, of course, since I was out, got me something to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna finish by tomorrow, y'all. So tired of doing this. But it's only been 2 days, and I'll be honest, I'll be sitting here I've been watching TV. Like, these ain't even long, I ain't even wrapping them or nothing. I'm just warming them and putting them in there. They're doing a good job. That's why I practice makes perfect, because I'm doing a visual of how easy it is for me to do these locks. And I know people gonna ask me like, tutorial this, tutorial that. And I'm gonna show y'all, and it's gonna show you guys why I don't do tutorials. Because everything I do is just like, I don't know. I just be doing it. I don't necessarily, did I have to learn how to hand make locks? Yes, I did. But do I do it correctly? No, I probably don't. I just do it. And I've got it, like, I've done it so much that I don't mess up my hands anymore. Like, I used to do it, and I used to scratch up all my fingers all the time. Now I do it. I used to have to use the guards on my fingers. I don't even do that anymore. Like, I'm just sitting here doing it with my hands watching TV like I'm knitting or something. But I know people still gonna ask me for a tutorial, and it's like, child. Either you got it or you don't. In the words of Bring It On, either you got it already or you don't.
Shut up! You don't have it yet, you don't have it! Give it up already!
How did they say it? This is crazy. Because I felt like I was almost done, and then I counted my braids, and I'm not almost done. I'm not. So I got an appointment tomorrow. This is what this is what time it is. Slow down because it's not gonna take you tomorrow. Y'all wanted to see what it looked like. This is what it looked like. Real slow, like it's real slow for your girl. I mean, my line is not slow, but my hands is slow. And my line plays a role too, because I love when I don't post. Okay, pro tip. I'm not some big time person on social media. To y'all. To numbers. But my DMs, my like communications, I don't know what to say. Like I don't know why it don't add up. But how do y'all think I be selling bundles? Y'all think I just be selling bundles to my clients? Like, I don't know. It's a piece of me everywhere. And I love that for me. I'm gonna say this. If you ain't on TikTok, get on TikTok. I'm gonna just put it like that. Get on TikTok. Stay on TikTok. Because I wasn't always like heavily using TikTok, but I used it a little bit. And when I tell you, when Instagram started getting real dry for me, TikTok was just doing stuff. Like, people was literally hitting me up from old posts years ago. Like, years ago, posts are getting traction. People are hitting me up like, hey, I seen your post on TikTok. And people tell you they from TikTok. They hit you on Instagram. Because in my comments a lot, I say, hey, when people ask me how to talk to me, like, oh, how can I get this? How do I buy this? I be like, DM me on Instagram. So heck of people I will always say that. Like I said that since the beginning, because TikTok DMs are just not it. Like, it's hard to send pictures. I just rather be on Instagram. But it's a funnel. If you ain't never heard of a funnel, get on your YouTube university. Because if you trying to have a business, anywho, I'll see y'all the next round. I thought I was going to show y'all more of the process, but absolutely not. It's taking too damn long. That's why I don't do it anyway. That's why I don't do this type of stuff anyway. Because it takes so long. But I found these, y'all. Shout out to me. This is how life goes. You always end up having leftover something. I'm about to turn these into something. I might try to film it for y'all. But just take a looky look. Y'all like these locs? Comment your favorite type of locs in the comments. What's your favorite type of faux locs? Human hair locs, Bohemian locs, butterfly locs, distress locs, goddess locs, boho locs. I'm trying to see some. But it's giving. It's giving. The fact that I knew what I wanted, but I really didn't know if I was going to be able to. Period. I'm just like, wow. I really wish I was done. But I should have known better. And I probably won't see you again for like 2 days. If I know how this life go, I'm not gonna see you again for 2 days, but at work, this is how my hair looks. Still not done. Time. Well, I just got home and my cleaner came. But the sad part is that I didn't finish my hair, child. So my house is clean for nothing. This is day 4. See how long it takes? I wasn't able to touch my hair yesterday. I'm I'm not gonna be able to touch it today. See how it ends up taking forever for me to do my hair? I have to go to work. It's 6 in the morning. But I'll see y'all later. So this is, I don't know what day it is, but I haven't touched my hair in 2 days, so I'm still where we left off. Yeah. I'm about to take a nap. I just dropped my daughter off at school. I'm tired. Ugh. But I'll probably finish tomorrow. Probably do some tonight. And then I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna finish tonight. But yeah, this is why it takes me a long time, y'all. It's really just hard to stay focused for a long period of time and do my hair these days. It's so hard. My wrists hurt now, my hands hurt. So that's why I'm not really in a rush to hop on this. I'm trying to give them a little break. But you can see the curl. First of all, I haven't brushed this in like 2 days, but it's been raining, so I just took my daughter to school. It looked like my hair got a little wet, so you can kind of see the curl pattern. But I can't wait to wet it. It look like it's gonna be cute, huh? It look like a weave. All my styles just look more and more like a weave every install. But to my future self, girl, they're gonna be on these. Cha-ching.